But today is the World Migratory Bird Day, which is celebrated twice annually, 13th of May and October 14th. And the theme for this year is water, sustaining life of birds, and which focuses on the importance of water to migratory birds. The aim of the World Migratory Bird Day, or why it is celebrated, it is to draw our attention to the threats faced by these migratory birds and their ecological importance and the need for international collaboration to conserve these birds. According to the United Nations, the significance of this day is in their ecological importance, and virtually migratory birds rely on water and some type of wetland for food and some other ecological benefits. The importance of changing climates on birds are widespread and far-reaching. In fact, because of birds are relatively mobile, they are some earliest and best indicators of climate change. Climate change affects its timing of migration. So it will interest you to know that the climate watchers and ontologists discovered that between the period of November and February, this migratory bird migrates from Europe to Nigeria in search of good weather and food. So some of the impacts to say is that it leads to shortage of food when the weather is too hot and not favorable for them to stay. Then it breeds a competition ground for them to inhabit, and climate change amplifies the danger of migratory birds. So it is safe to say in our conclusion that as a country, Nigeria, climate change is a matter of national discourse, and through the Ministry of Environment we can as well inculcate climate change into our school curriculum to educate the younger ones about the dangers, the effects, the impact of climate change in our community, in our world, in our nation, in our country, Nigeria today.